Yeah, I put the ones I handed out are in the right settings. I put them for you. All right, let's do some review stuff here. Let's see. Let's do this. Shoop. Shoop. Shoop.
I was camping all weekend.
Says you.
I don't really care that you write this down. You can. All right. I'm just reviewing some stuff with you. Okay. All right. Are these triangles similar? I already heard somebody say.
Yes.
Why?
Two same angles.
Two equal or congruent angles. Yes, that's all you need. Nothing else. Two congruent angles. Okay? There's going to be a question on it. It's going to ask you if these triangles are similar. I'm going right down the line here. What's that?
Does they actually have 3 congruent angles?
They do, but you only need 2. I'm betting that you can do these without, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time reviewing this. Maybe I won't even get to draw it because try it again. Oh, yes. Come on, keep drawing, keep drawing. No. Oh, man. Ah, good here. Hopefully we can keep this going. Okay. We want to find this side. I'm going to call it A. This is what you're really good at. So, what are we doing? Yes. Outstanding. Which one is going to be C?
20.
I already put A on there for you, so that's a gimme. So let's see. What? So we're subtracting, let's see, that's 336, I think. Now we just need the square root of that. All these calculators, somebody's going to be able to come up with it. That's a pretty good guess. How much? Garrett Cook is the man on that one. Peace and love.
You didn't have to go to kindergarten.
Shut up. I know, they came out and I was
I'm here. I wouldn't be here. Something happened.
Okay. So here we have Victor measuring a height of a flagpole. Now, I'm reviewing to help you guys out, not me. So watch what we're doing. All right, so Victor is measuring the height here of this flagpole. Here he is right here. It's 40 feet away from it. How are we going to figure out the height of that thing? No. We have an angle. And we have the adjacent. And we need the opposite. Yeah, so we have opposite going across. Here's adjacent. So which one are we going to use? We're going to use tan. Here's the first time we're going to make sure. Oops, I got 60. Yep. What ratio do we write on that side? Opposite would be H and adjacent would be 40. Okay, cool. Let's figure it out. Here we go. I don't know, but you have a calculator that's in the right setting, so. I gotta get you one, huh? 1.73. Okay, let's go from there now.
I can't keep up with the modern. You know how to dance like with.
What are we getting? 69.2. Great, great, great.
That's what I always think. What do you pray for to me actually answer?
Poop. Parker, what are you about 5'9", 5'10", 5'8"? 5'7", a little off, huh? Okay, so now we have Parker doing the same flagpole, but he's going to do it a little different way. This time he measures and he says that this is 30 feet to its shadow. So we have a sun up here. I want to put the sun. Creates a shadow. Okay? So we have the shadow here at 30. Here's the dark shadow. We have Parker's shadow at 1.5 feet and height at 5.6. Now we got to find a different way of doing these. So, Narciso, you watching?
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right. So how are we going to do this one? We're not going to use trigonometry this time. Yes. Are they similar? Yes. So let's write some proportions. How do we write a proportion for this? Cassidy, you watching? Good.
So 30 is
So 30 is that shadow length, yeah?
1.5
Over 1.5, good. So we go 30 relates to this one, yep.
as
H is to 5.6, perfect, right at proportion. Okay, similar triangle. So when we have two triangles, that's what we should do is write a little proportion. All right, let's cross multiply. Here we go. I don't know what 30 times 5.6 is, but we have all these calculators. Levi's figuring it out. 168. Divide by 1.5. Divide by 1.5. H equals, I don't know, I need some more help. How much? 112. Oh, guess it wasn't the same flagpole. Well, what did I get up here? Yeah, definitely not. Must have been a taller one. Missing parts. Okay. Here we go. We're going to divide this up. All right, I'm going to get Caston to pick a color. Dark, medium, light, vibrant? Vibrant. Okay. This is Caston's rows column. They're going to find the missing parts. Here we go. This is the one they're going to do. And then they can come up and write the answer. We're going to put 50 there and put 20 there. So we got to find A and B. Okay. Garrett, pick a color. Fire engine, firecracker, red. Okay, this is going to be Garrett and Finlay's and Colton's problem right here. Find the missing parts. You. Okay. And then we'll get Levi, pick a color. Dark green, green, forest green, grass green, mint green. Mint he wants. Okay, and then last one. Sam, pick a color. Dark blue, medium blue. What? Okay, there we go. There's our 4 triangles. Each group gets 1. Is this 12.8? It's not 12.8. Not anymore because we're going to run out of time. All right. Let's go over and let's see what you know kind of what we're doing here. So 12, they tell me that it's not 12.8. Get out of the way. Get it in the right color here. Okay. Purple group, where's the angle? Purple group, angle is 50. Okay. Now, you want to find A first? What side is that? Opposite. Narciso, watch. Which side do you know? Hypotenuse. Which one are you going to use? Hypotenuse and opposite, which is Sine. Okay, so we're going to go sine of 50 equals, what's the side opposite? Well, we don't know what the side opposite is. That's A. What's the hypotenuse? Do you want something? 20.
Can you grab napkins?
Sure. There's paper towels up there. Sine of 50, we're going to have to figure out what that is. What's the sine of 50? 0.77 equals A over 20. And cross multiply. So A is equal to, I'm not sure what 20 times 0.77 is. What? 15.3. There's your answer. Okay. To find the other part, what are we going to use? Yeah. Use your Pythagorean theorem. Okay. Red group. Pick your, where's your angle at?
Is that the...
Your angle's here, right?
No, it's...
You're fine, yeah. So here's your angle. First, I want you to know where the angle is. There's your angle. What side do you know?
No, that's J's.
Opposite. Opposite is directly across from it. Okay? Now, which side do you want to find, A or C? A. Which side is this one? Adjacent. So which one's opposite and adjacent? What are you going to use? Tangent. Good job. Tangent 70 equals opposite side 8. Adjacent side A. Okay? Dylan, watch. Tangent of 70. What's the tangent of 70? He's figuring it out for me now. Anybody in that second row, group, or column, whatever you want to call it. How much? 2.74 over 1. 8 over A. Cross multiply. Got to move the red down here. 2.74A equals 8. And then figure it out from there. Once you know what A is, use the Pythagorean theorem to find C. All right. Okay. Let me know when you get an answer for A. Mint green group over here. We have this mint green group. All right. What's our angle, mint green group? 75. Okay. What side do we know? Adjacent. What side do you want, A or C? What side do you want to find first? A. So what side is that? Opposite. Very good. So we have opposite and adjacent. Which one are we going to use? Tangent. Very good by the mint green group. Okay. Opposite is A. Adjacent is 12. We don't have a 75. What's the tangent of 75? Oh no, it's 2 points or something. What is it? It's going to be a pretty... 3.3? 73. Cross multiply. A equals, let me know what you get. Red, did you get your group a number down here? 8 divided by 2.74. 2.91. Nice job. Then we would use Pythagorean theorem. Okay. Down over here we have the... Oh, A, did you get yours? Should be... How much? 44.7. So, Trev, I think you were right about A. We just got to use A squared, B squared to find C squared, okay? Yeah. All right. Let's jump down here to the blue group who had it, and then how'd you get this tangent of 30? How'd you get that angle? What'd you use for that, blue group? Sine?
Yeah, we use sine.
Good, but you don't know what the angle is, so
We
what?
use the -1.
Ah, you use the inverse. Very good when you don't know the angle. Nice job. It is 30, by the way.
Yeah.
Okay, and how'd you get this bottom one?
A squared plus B squared equals C squared.
Outstanding. Couple more things. First of all, how do you know what kind of... let's see. Let's go to this. What type of triangle? What type of triangle is this? See if we remember how to do this. 4, 6, and 8. What do we do on that to figure out what kind of triangle it is?
You add up the two.
Yeah, after you square them, right? 4 squared 16, b squared 36, c squared 64. Wish I could write.
And that is a negative factor.
Who's embarrassed?
Not embarrassed.
Shouldn't be embarrassed. 16, 36, 64. Narciso, we're going to add these up, and I get 52 and 64. What kind of triangle is this with c squared bigger? Obtuse is correct. If c is bigger, it's obtuse. If a plus b is bigger, it's acute. And if they're equal, it is?
Right.
Is this a triangle? This is the last question I'm going to ask you. And this is where Emma says, well, we're just going to add these up and see if this is a triangle or not. Remember, we add up the first two small ones. That's 20. 20 is smaller, so it is not a triangle. Then it is not a triangle. Remember, it's got to fold up.